This is the iPad 2 glass digitizer replacement. Okay, have broken glass on that. Heating. Lightly heating the iPad itself around the corners. Okay, here's your, this is the Wi-Fi model, so you have to be careful of the antenna there and then all the parts there. Nice little heat here. Start off by prying the corner. Okay, get the first piece there. Piece there. We're going to work this corner now. Remember, the Wi-Fi antenna is here, so we have to be careful. Start seeing it comes apart. Get your little tool. Careful not to ruin the LCD. Get it in there. Oops. Got a little break there. It's fine. Let's go ahead and put a little more heat. Keep using your pry tool. Okay. See, still okay. Put these sides off. Okay, got that side going. Get this side all good. Put a little heat here. Okay. Get it in there and just gently get this thing up. Okay. You can see the screen's still good. Just put a little adhesive here, or sorry, a little heat. Okay, there you go. You can see everything's still good. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to clean this mess off here. Okay, carefully lifting this. You got to be careful with this area here, especially this. This is your power button. So gently lift that up and if you're going to work with this tool, you got to be very careful. Maybe some sharp fingernails may work, but this cable right here is the one you have to be careful. So you got to be careful with these right here, and the Wi-Fi antenna. Okay, so you would these little magnets available at Ace Hardware are great. Take these 4 off. 4 screws that hold the LCD in place. Because you need to remove the glass digitizer. Use your little tool. It's a very complex repair, so if you're not comfortable with it, you could always send it to us for professional repair. Okay. Put this aside carefully. And you can use little tweezers to lift this up. Just snap back, just really gently. Okay, there we go. Now you're going to pull the LCD out, the glass digitizer. Okay, there it is. Broken glass piece removed. And I'm just going to take a little bit of alcohol with a rag. To clean off any excess pieces of. Also, most iPads, when they break, it's because they are dropped in the corner here, and in one of the corners. As you could see, this corner is really dinged up, and that's basically what causes the break. So, what we do at Czars is we actually buff this out, because if you have this, try to put the screen on there, it will not fit. And you don't want that. So there's 2 corners here that are dinged up, and we're going to go ahead and buff them out. Okay, we have our nice clean screen. Just use a lint-free cloth. And it's a good idea to test the screen. Make sure it works. Okay, so basically put that in place. Clip those on there. Okay, we put this little guy here, and there's a little adhesive here. You also want to make sure that you put your screws back where they belong. 4 on the LCD side here. And you can see that it works. This is just the cover. Okay. So everything works. Okay. We'll see our website. It's our scheduled repair.